Welcome back to another video of mine. This time I'm gonna be singing Washing Machine Hearts by whatever that name is, okay? I don't know how to pronounce names. I'm sorry. Whoever made this song, I'm so sorry that I cannot pronounce their name, but I will be singing this. I don't know any of the lyrics at all. I just gotta sing this. By the way, any songs in the comments, okay? Just give me songs that is actually good, okay? Just give me songs in the comments, alright? Let's start, okay? Okay, good. Nice.
Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine heart, baby, bang it up inside. I'm not wearing my usual lipstick. I thought maybe we were kids tonight. Baby, will you kiss me already? Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine heart, baby, bang it up inside.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of the video. Like, share and comment what song, okay? Alright, like, share and comment what song you want me to sing next, and it needs to be no bad words, no curse words, no damn other than that, and no disrespectful godlike kind of stuff. Yeah, okay? No these 3 words, okay? These are the 3 rules I don't want. But you can give me any songs, romantically, sadly, happily songs I can accept, just not bad word songs, cause I'm trying to be family friendly, but like I just said a bad word. Oh my god, I didn't know it was a bad word. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Goodbye, guys.